All aboard the Tech News Games and Deals caboose. Tech News. AMD 2nd Gen Ryzen desktop processors on existing AM4 sockets are available for pre-order through Amazon, Newegg, etc. and launches April 19th. From fast to slow, the 8-core $330 Ryzen 7 2700X clocks in at 4.3 boost and 3.7 GHz base clock with Prism RGB cooler and 105-watt TDP. The $300 7 2700 Non-X has 4.1 boost and 3.2 GB base clock with Spire RGB cooler and 65-watt TDP. The 6-core $230 Ryzen 5 2600X has 4.2 boost and 3.6 GB base clock with Spire non-RGB cooler and 95-watt TDP. And finally, the $200 5 2600 Non-X has 3.9 boost and 3.4 base clock with Stealth cooler and 65-watt TDP. These chips will also be compatible with AM4 socket X470 chipsets featuring advancedness for overclockers or tweakers, and StoreMI, a hard drive to SSD storage accelerator for faster load and boost times without the need to reinstall programs, plus 2 GB RAM caching for blazing speeds. Google's audio-visual speech separation works on ordinary videos with single audio tracks and uses visual and audio features to selectively filter out other audio. The examples show the ability to select a speaker's space and filter out all other audio, and then even switch to focusing in on just their audio. And then still you can filter out the speakers and hear just the background audio. Technology, so cool. Audio. Games.PUBG Event War lasts 3 days. Party up as one of 3 10-man squads fighting over key points of a Rangel. Drop into the locked safe zones with random gear, then aim for the 200-point win by gaining 3 points for every kill, and respawns dropping players back into the action. Ends April 15th. PUBG also reopens Savage closed test signups on April 14th for the second test on April 16th. Old CES keys will continue to work. Fortnite's recent 3.5 server issues resulted in millions of kids being forced out of their nests into a blinding great burning yellow ball in the sky. As an apology, free gifts are going out, back bling, troll stash llama, and next week, after a comet smashes into tilted towers, players will also receive a pack of battle stars. Thanks, Fortnite! Injustice 2, your favorite superhero puncher, has a free full game trial until the 15th for PS4 and Xbox. Star Citizen also receives a free fly into the Alpha 3.1 update. Check out all the new characters, universe, and ship features added. Twitch Prime COD WW2 players can now claim Reward 5 of 6, the Glory Supply Drop Pack, and random named items with dupe protection, unless all category items are owned. Plus exclusive Bomb Voyage Zombies Weapon Camo. SpyParty, the competitive 1 vs 1 espionagical game, enters Early Access. Play as either the spy, a guest mingler with secret missions to complete, or as the sniper just outside the window, with just one objective to complete. Identify the spy and deliver them a single gift. A 30 caliber anti-infantry round to the cerebrum. Complete the mission undetected or kill the spy and you win. Deals. Amazon has the ORIA 76 set kit for repairs for $13 with promo code. Go repair your smartphone, console, or that robot you've been tinkering on. Newegg has a 25% off on select games and accessories, from Far Cry to racing wheels to headsets to controllers. Not bad. Original news sources and affiliate where to buy purchase links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.